about like forces in motion and how like dropping balls and like falling objects kind of factor into that. So before we start, I just made like a key terms sheet just to like go over, and you'll be able to like use this to kind of help you, because I know we've only gone over like force and motion so far, so this might be like a little bit challenging. So, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so without kind of looking at your sheet, can anyone like tell me what the definition of mass is in your own words, maybe? Okay, is how heavy it is, but wouldn't that be weight? What's the difference between like weight and mass? Do you know?
It's the amount of matter.
Yes. Yeah, so it's the amount of matter that makes up an object. So then, can anyone just read the definition of gravity?
Gravity, a force that tries to pull two objects towards each other.
Alright, and then force.
Yeah. Force, the push or pull of an object that compels it to change its direction of motion. Force is what causes an object to accelerate.
Alright, and then motion.
A change in position of an object.
Alright, and then accelerate.
The rate at which an object changes its velocity.
Courtney, will you read inertia?
Inertia is an object's ability to resist changes in its state of motion.
And then, we don't need to read the Newton's laws, but can you read air resistance?
The frictional force air exerts against a moving object.
Okay, so with all those in mind, I'm going to pass out the first worksheet. And then, I'll just read over this.
Thank you.
So I'm just going to read over this one if y'all will follow along. So Kathy had a heavy metal ball and Rich had a light wood ball. So we're going to pretend like this is our metal ball, which is baseball, and this is our light wooden ball. So we're just talking about this here. They dropped the balls from the same height. They were surprised to discover that the two balls reached the ground at the same time. This is what they said after the balls landed. Kathy said the force of gravity must be acting the same on both balls. Rich said he didn't agree, that the metal ball weighs more, so the force of gravity is more on the heavier ball. So I'm going to give you all a second to write who you guys agree with and why, and y'all can discuss with each other. And then we're actually going to we're going to weigh these balls and talk about it. So I'll give you a couple minutes to answer this. If y'all wanna like, you can just like pass these around, like y'all can just like feel it. Like, so baseball is metal ball, no football is the wooden ball. Just to kind of get an idea of how they feel.
This is confusing. Actually. One day.
Alright, so I guess juniors, are you finished? Yes. Sorry. Okay, so what did we say as our answer? So I see some people have Rich. Mia, you have Kathy. Why is that?
I just agreed with her that the balls reach the ground at the same time, so the force of gravity must be the same. Because if we said that the gravity is a force that pulls two objects towards each other, if it brought them at the same time, then it must be the same.
Okay, so before we get to the right answer, we're just gonna, I want to weigh these balls. So I guess I'll keep this over here. But so our metal ball is 5.1 ounces. Our wooden ball is 1 ounce. So we do have proof that these balls are different masses. So how would you know, like, if you were to pick these two balls up from sitting on the ground, which one is harder to pick up, would you say? Okay. So it's harder to pull, it has a greater pull to Earth. So wouldn't that say that this ball has a greater gravitational pull?
Yeah.
Okay, so therefore, which one do we agree with? Would you change your mind?
I'm always wrong.
So basically, the point of this is that the greater the mass of the object, the greater the gravitational force that's acting on it. So, with that being said, we didn't really discuss why these two balls might have reached the ground at the same time. So, we're going to move on to our next worksheet, which is called dropping balls.
One of us is already drawn.
Alright. So, will one of y'all volunteer to just read that first, chunk? Anybody? Alright.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Reggie has 3 different types of balls. Each ball is about the same size. Ball 1 is a wooden ball. Its mass is 28 grams. Ball 2 is a golf ball. Its mass is 46 grams. Ball 3 is a metal ball. Its mass is 110 grams.
Alright, so anyone else?
Sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna keep, this is still our metal ball, it's our baseball. And then our wooden ball is our wiffle ball. And then our golf ball will just have to be our tennis ball. So will anybody read the second chunk of information? Courtney?
Yeah. Reggie held his arm out and dropped the 3 balls at the same time from the same height. In what order will the balls hit the floor?
Okay, so I'm going to give you a minute to read those and make a prediction, and then write what rule you used to back this up. So,
This is really confusing because now I want to say they're all going to hit it at the same time.
well, once y'all answer this to your best of your knowledge, we're actually going to drop them and see what happens. So.
Oh no, that was just a sloppy serve. I'm not speaking
Okay, so did everyone basically say D? That okay, so because of what we learned, we think all 3 balls will hit the floor at the same time.
This is a trick.
Do you want to help? Yeah, can you hold one of the balls, I guess? Thank you. Make sure we hold one. Okay, is this about the same height?
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, there you go.
Okay, I think we didn't do it at the same time.
I think that you need to just drop them all together.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I don't
I think that's the only way.
it's just
And then just let go of it all.
That is crazy. Will you do it again?